let's take a look at an overview of the new customer portal releasing in early access. The new customer portal provides a personalized experience with instant access to features like real-time invoice collection, estimate approvals, and a unified portal for service history and equipment data. It also supports service agreements and visibility into the customer's past and upcoming work, helping you and your customers stay informed and organized. The new customer portal increases revenue, decreases overhead costs, and provides a one-stop shop for equipment data, service history, and more. Now, let's take a look at the new customer portal settings in ServiceTitan. Under Feature Control, you can turn individual features on or off and apply filters to what items appear in the customer portal. If you decide to enable service agreements, you can also choose which agreements will display in the customer portal. Under Online Payment Settings, you can customize what payment types your business accepts as well as allow customers to save their credit card information for future transactions. Now, let's take a look at the customer experience. Under My Tasks, customers can see a high-level view of their outstanding balances, upcoming appointments, and ready-to-sign proposals. The appointment screen allows customers to see scheduled and previous job visits with invoice summaries that provide a description of work on past appointments. The Invoices screen displays paid and unpaid invoices with easy-to-use search filters for both. Proposals allows customers to view proposals and sign off on estimates. And finally, service agreements empower your customers to have complete visibility on their agreement's billing, visits, invoices, and equipment service history. If you're utilizing memberships, there will also be a membership screen. Now that you've seen what the new customer portal has to offer, please see our other learning resources for more information and sign up for our early access waitlist.